Oh my god, Maddie, did you go to market day yesterday?
I didn't. I went to today.
Why not?
I forgot about it.
Oh my god, yesterday I went and I got the $7 meal deal. I got 2 sliders, a brownie, bag of chips, and a drink.
Who's selling that?
The Barbecue Boys.
The Barbecue Boys?
The Barbecue Boys.
Hey guys, can we get started here, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. The Barbecue Boys. Good morning, Topeka High.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Susie.
And this is your THS Morning Report. Seniors, time is running out to submit your senior quote for the yearbook.
In fact, journalism students have been prowling the halls to drive that message home.
Who am I here with?
DJ.
Have you submitted your senior quote?
No.
Why not?
I didn't know I was supposed to do that.
It's due November 1st.
Who am I here with?
Adrian.
Have you submitted your senior quote yet?
I actually have.
Yes, good job.
We did it! Am I here with?
Dequaya?
Have you submitted your senior quote?
No.
Why not?
I just forgot about it.
Well, you better get to doing it.
I will.
Who am I here with?
Stuart.
Have you submitted your senior quote yet?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm trying to think of something funny and witty.
Okay, who am I here with?
Olivia?
Have you submitted your senior quote yet?
Yes.
We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up.
Make sure you submit your senior quotes.
And buy your yearbook.
Juniors and seniors, the District College and Career Fair is coming up on October 22nd, and over 70 employers and schools will be there. Will you?
Buses will leave from THS at 9:15 on Tuesday, October 22nd to go to the fair. Students must sign up for the fair in advance at the link in this morning report's description. Spots on the bus are limited, so sign up today. THS PTO is now selling Topeka High Pink Out shirts. You can buy one at the Spiritwear store. That's by the weight room for just $15. The Spiritwear store will be open during both lunches, so get them while you can.
If you're looking for an opportunity for community service, head to volunteer@topekahabitat.org to register for Central Park Neighborhood Cleanup. It's a great chance to give back.
Yo, bro, what's your problem? Oh, I didn't know you were chill like that. How do you get so chill?
I just eat school lunch every day.
Oh, what are we having today?
So today we're actually having a BYO deli sandwich with Doritos and no veggie bento.
Chicken wrap, chicken salad bento.
Cheeseburger and loaded baked potato. And that's what you eat.
As Halloween approaches, be sure to check out the haunted house at Solar Athletics. Tickets are just $10 for the Solar Athletics haunted house located at 438 Southeast 61st Street.
A rep from Washburn Tech will be visiting on Monday, October 21st during Trojan time. Sign up at the link in this morning report's description. Now for upcoming events.
Today, from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m., there will be a chess club match against Topeka West in the library.
At 5 p.m., there will be a volleyball game at Junction City.
Shout out! On Saturday, the Topeka High cross country team competed in the city meet.
We had 4 individuals place in the top 20 and earn medals.
Stuart Campbell and Easton Davis placed 13th and 15th respectively, and Juliana Savago and Emma Womack placed 17th and 18th respectively.
The men's team placed 6th with a score of 117.
And a shout out to Madeline Dieters in tennis singles and Ava Ritter and Haley Carroll in doubles. They'll be in state competition in Prairie Village tomorrow, so if you see them, wish them good luck.
And that's all we have for you today, Topeka High.
Tower's that! As Halloween approaches,
Sign up at this link.
Ah!